Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a breathtaking journey to one of the most beautiful and unexplored regions of Bangladesh, Bandarban. Known for its stunning landscapes, tranquil waterfalls, and majestic hills, Bandarban is truly a paradise for nature lovers. Get ready as we explore some of the must-visit places in Bandarban where adventure and beauty await. Let's dive right in. Nestled in the southeastern part of Bangladesh, Bandarban is the land of rolling hills, serene rivers, and vibrant tribal culture. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or someone looking for peace and tranquility, Bandarban has something special for everyone. Now, let's explore some of the most iconic and beautiful spots in Bandarban, and trust me, you won't want to miss any of these hidden gems. First up, we're at the Nafakum waterfall, and wow, just look at this magnificent sight. With a height of over 300 feet, Nafakum is the largest waterfall in Bangladesh and the 29th largest in the world. The sound of the cascading water, the lush green surroundings, and the cool breeze make this place truly magical. Visiting Nafakum is a surreal experience, and the journey to reach this waterfall is an adventure in itself. You'll trek through forests, cross rivers, and witness the natural beauty of the region. Next, we're in the heart of Bandarban, Ruma Valley. This is the starting point for many treks to nearby destinations like trekking to Boga Lake and Phantom Hill. The valley is surrounded by towering mountains, and is the gateway to some of the best trekking routes in the region. If you're an adventure seeker, Ruma is your base camp for exploring the hills and lakes of Bandarban. The lush valleys, clear rivers, and magnificent hills will definitely leave you in awe. One of the most mesmerizing places you can visit in Bandarban is Boga Lake. This high-altitude lake is surrounded by lush hills and is considered sacred by the indigenous people. After a challenging yet rewarding trek, you'll be greeted by the crystal-clear waters of Boga Lake, reflecting the surrounding mountains. Camping by the lake or simply sitting by the water is an experience you'll never forget. The peaceful environment, the cool mountain air, and the starry skies at night make it a perfect getaway from the hustle and bustle. Now let's take a relaxing boat ride along the Sangu River. This river winds through Bandarban, offering breathtaking views of hills, forests, and waterfalls along the way. It's one of the best ways to see the beauty of the region from a different perspective. While cruising on the river, you'll come across remote tribal villages, and the calm waters surrounded by mountains make it feel like you're in another world entirely. Bandarban is not just about natural beauty. It's also home to many indigenous tribes like the Chakma, Marma, and Tanchangya people. These tribes have their own unique cultures, languages, and traditions. You can learn a lot about their way of life by visiting their villages.